Hello students, how are you? Today, let's talk about what time is it. We are going to continue talking about the time. Remember the last class, telling the time? Now we have to continue with some activities. This is the question, what time is it? Okay, you can say, what time is it? Or what's the time? Ambas preguntas se refieren a la hora, ¿ok? Están preguntando qué hora es. What time is it? Or what's the time? Remember, we have o'clock, half past, a quarter past, and a quarter to. En la clase pasada dijimos que vamos a utilizar o'clock cuando el minutero está en el number 12, ¿ok? Number 12. Ahora, también dijimos que half past se refiere cuando el minutero está en number 6. Number 6. A quarter past. Vamos a ver que el minutero siempre estará en number 3. Number 3. A quarter past. A quarter to. A quarter to. Nos damos cuenta que el minutero siempre está en number 9. Okay, number 9. So, this is the correct form to use the time. O'clock, half past, a quarter past, a quarter to. So now, you have to look what time is it or what's the time, and then you have to write the correct time, okay? For example, in the first one we have, it's a quarter to 3. We have a time, the answer is, it's a quarter to 3. In the second one, the answer is, it's 6 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. So you have to continue writing the time. For example, it's a quarter. It's a quarter past 8. It's a quarter past 8. Then we have the next time. The answer is, it's half past 9. It's half past 9. Then we have the next time. The answer is, it's 12 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. Next, it's it's half past 1. It's half past 1. So now, in the other side, what's the time? It's 7 o'clock. What's the time? It's 7 o'clock. Next. What's the time? It's a quarter past 9. It's a quarter past 9. Next, what's the time? It's half past 3. It's half past 3. Next, what's the time? It's a quarter to 12. It's a quarter to 12. Next, what's the time? It's a quarter past 4. It's a quarter past 4. Next, what's the time? It's 2 o'clock. So now we have to repeat again. It's a quarter to 3. It's 6 o'clock. It's a quarter past 8. It's half past 9. It's 12 o'clock. It's half past 1. It's 7 o'clock. It's a quarter past 9. It's half past 3. It's a quarter to 12. It's a quarter past 4. It's 2 o'clock. So now, after that, listen, drag each picture to the correct box and write the time. Listen, drag each picture to the correct box and write the time.
What time is it? 1. It's 11 o'clock. 2. It's a quarter to 10. 3. It's half past 12. 4. It's 1 o'clock. 5. It's a quarter past 7. 6. It's a quarter to 8.
Listen again.
What time is it? 1. It's 11 o'clock. 2. It's a quarter to 10. 3. It's half past 12. 4. It's 1 o'clock. 5. It's a quarter past 7. 6. It's a quarter to 8.
Okay, so now write the time. Number 1, it's 11 o'clock. Number 2, it's a quarter to 10. Number 3, it's half past 12. Number 4, It's 1 o'clock. Number 5, it's 7:15. Number 6, it's 7:45. Now you have to repeat. It's 11 o'clock. Number 1. Number 2, it's 9:45. Number 3, it's 12:30. Number 4, it's 1 o'clock. Number 5, it's 7:15. And number 6, it's 7:45. Now, next activity. One moment. Okay, next activity. Time match. Drag every clock with its time. Drag or match every clock with its time. For example, it's 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock. Next, it's 2:30. It's 2:30. Next, it's 12 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. Next, it's 8:30. It's 8:30. Next, it's 7:15. It's 7:15. Next, it's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. Next, it's 2:45. It's 2:45. Next, it's 7:45. Next, it's 7:15. It's 7:15. Next, it's 8:30. This is the same time, okay? Yes, this is the same time. Next, it's 10:15. It's 10:15. Next, it's 3:45. It's 3:45. Next, it's 2:15. It's 2:15. And the last one, it's 1:45. It's 1:45. Sobró un reloj, ok, es porque se repite. Look at the yellow color. It's 3:30. Sorry, it's 8:30. Okay, it's 8:30. So now we finish. We have to say the time again. It's 12 o'clock. it's 1 o'clock, it's a quarter past 7, it's 2:30, it's 8:30, it's a quarter to 3, it's 10 o'clock, it's a quarter to 7, it's a quarter past 10, it's a quarter past 2, it's 8:30, it's a quarter to 1, and it's a quarter to 4, okay? So we finish for today. We have to continue the next class, okay? So I have to say goodbye. Goodbye, students. Bye-bye.